Okay, this is a four-wheel drive instructional on how the four-wheel drive system works. This is a 1999 Mitsubishi Montero Gen 2.5. However, this has 4.90 gears from a Montero Sport, which means it does not have the shift on the fly capability like the standard Montero. So please note that this vehicle is different from a standard factory Montero. It has selectable locking hubs out at the front wheels, which allow me to engage and disengage the axles at the splines. So this is different in a sense, but the four-wheel drive system and how you're going to see me shift should be similar to the same for all the other vehicles. So what I'm going to show you is basically you've got your standard shifter. You've got 2 high, 4 high locked, which locks the center differential or the center transfer case, excuse me. Then you have 4 low locked, and what it does not show on mine is that you have to press to get to 4 low locked. So I'm going to show you how this works. Mine also has the rear differential lock. It has the winter package noted by the orange sticker and their RD lock. So that is a very common thing on some of these vehicles. So first off, go ahead and put it in neutral. If your vehicle's rolling a little bit, it won't hurt. But 4 high is nice and easy. Just one click. Now I'm in 4 high, and very simple. Okay, 4 low locked. As you can see, you just go left and up a little bit, and what you'll see on the center differential lock is I'll get it rolling sometimes, kind of turn the wheel a little bit, and then it engages. Let the wheels turn for just a second. So now I'm going to go ahead and put it in 4 low locked. I'm going to bring it down and over, but I got to press it down. Pressing down and shifting forward gets me into 4 low locked. And you'll notice a definite jump from the vehicle being in low range. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it, it's still in 4 low locked, and I'm going to engage the locking differential. The locking differential is only supposed to be engaged in low range, so just keep that in mind. You have to put it in 4 low to get the differential to properly engage. So you just press the button once, you'll hear a buzzing, and that's the air compressor engaging the locker. Now, same as putting it into locked, sometimes these differentials just need to turn a little bit so they can align properly, and then they'll engage. And you'll see that on the dash when the orange lights become solid and they're no longer blinking, you're now engaged. So I'm going to go a little off-road here. And then you're driving around just fine. Everything works great. In fact, it jumps, won't even spin in the grass. So that's how you get it into 4-wheel drive, 4 high locked, 4 low locked, and then as well as to lock the differential. To disengage, press the bottom button on the RD lock. Okay, you won't hear anything, but you'll see the light come off. And sometimes, again, you have to roll the vehicle just to get it to disengage. Reverse typically will help it engage more than going forward. Going forward puts a continuous load on it. By going in reverse, it kind of takes that load off for just a second and allows it to disengage. And it's disengaged. Take it out of 4 low locked into 4 high lock, or you can go straight down to 2. And then the orange center light comes off, stops blinking. Once they're clear and they've stopped blinking, you're driving just like it would in 2-wheel drive. I go unlock my front hubs just to be sure, but right now I could drive around with my front hubs locked with no issues. It was designed for that. My Montero Sport donor was an all-wheel drive, so I could drive around just like this. Come snowy weather, if I know I'm going to be driving through snow, lock in the hubs, drive around in 2-wheel drive as long as you can. If it starts to get slippery, just put her in neutral, put her in 4, and you're ready to go. There you go. Hope that helps.